Pankaj,
Hi, Pankaj.
thank you very much for letting us into the store.
It's all yours.
This is great. So we're in a very nice area of Mumbai.
Yeah.
And we've been here for a few hours, and we drove past the shop, and the guy said they have Gallo. They sell Gallo.
Yes.
So, and you do. Thank you.
Yes, we do a lot since 6 years. We have been selling Gallo, and we have done the Adivas, we have done the Astras, profiles. There's many installations on that.
And okay, so we're in the store just now. So can you tell us about the business? So
Hi.
you have more than one location as well.
Yeah. So my company's name is Pro Audio Video. We are based in Mumbai and Delhi West. We have another store as well. That's by the name of Puja Electronics.
Okay.
There we deal in cameras, microphones. So we want to diversify in some business. So we started this 4 years back.
Okay.
So we came in the home audio segment. So therein we started with this Gallo and other brands. Gallo we used to sell but resale users. But right now we do fixed installations. We do for homes. We do for commercials and everywhere.
So you have a team who are out
Yeah.
installing the.
So we have our own teams, we have our own installers, we have
Wow.
our own persons going over the site visits. Everything to be done from our side.
It's a lot. So you have people working in the store 7 days a week.
Yeah, it's like we have mainly a retail store. Mainly we focus on retail business.
Okay.
So that to make the more clientele. And
Yeah,
if,
yeah.
if you see, like if it's in a retail business, it happens like word to word,
Yeah.
mouth to mouth publicity, and also that's the reason we do more on.
The installation allows you to
Yeah,
add
correct.
some creativity
Yeah.
and give something
Yes.
more premium.
So these are the galleries we keep in stocks just to
Yeah.
give demos. So whenever we want customers to see, we show demos on this colors
you have the
and
demo-
whichever colors. So we
you can
have
do
a demo
demo in
room as
here?
well. Right now a demo is gone. This was on demo earlier, but
Excellent.
today we had to shift to something else because the client wanted a demo.
Yes.
So we
So
just
you
keep on
take the
switching,
speakers
switching
in.
on them. Yeah.
Brilliant, great. And the other store is more camera.
Yeah, it's only for
based?
camera related
Okay.
business like for film shoots or for documentaries, vlogs, all
Okay,
people.
so premium.
Yes, correct.
And it's a family business.
Yes, it's a long time. So we have been in this business since 20 years.
Okay.
About that.
And your passion is what bit of this is your passion?
My passion is about, we started as a sound and now it's become a passion to turn my passion into a business. So right now we just give all the brands and mainly focus on like nowadays because of the architectural business. People don't like the big speaker,
Yes.
towers and all.
Yes.
So they prefer to go on the smaller sites. So in that segment, we sell cello because it's like as per the architecture, because all houses which are made in Mumbai, the architects are the main to decide.
They're the boss.
They are the boss.
Architects and interior designers, they become
the reason.
become your boss.
Correct. So that's the reason we need to promote something like that, which have it's different variety of colors, smaller
Yeah.
sizes and all, which Gallo fits in that business.
That's great.
So that's a great diversified product range,
Yeah.
which is available from your side.
You spend your time between the store and also installations. Do you,
Yes,
you have to
I
go and
just-
monitor this?
I
or-
don't need to monitor them. My
Okay, your
premium
team-
engineers and my premium engineers are there. If in case any client or if it's a big client or something, I just have to go and go run through at the last. Nothing to be done in between.
look after the VIP.
Yeah, correct. We have VIP clients as well.
Yeah.
So like actors and all, film stars. We have many ones.
And are you in this? Are you here? How many hours are you working? Are you here the whole time?
I'm here from morning 11 till night 10.
Yes.
India's
No.
working time is like that.
But you have your daughters here. So
Yeah, she comes and we
she has to see you sometime.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so
Really,
much.
really nice to meet you.
Very nice
Thank
to meet
you.
you. Thank you so much.